Chris, it's last day of Q1 2026. It's been a bumpy quarter for stocks. Let's go to the first chart real quick. Oil prices have gone up all year long, and then boom, all of a sudden they went really high, really fast.
Yeah, I mean, the takeaway on this chart is it looks inversely correlated. So, I mean, if oil tops
the black line,
what do you think's going to happen to the blue line? Probably gonna go up. Next chart, Ford price to earnings multiple of Exxon has surpassed that of NVIDIA. Look, NVIDIA's still got more growth than the oil growth out there. So, look, not taking anything away from Exxon.
But, I mean, that's anecdotally probably getting a little rich in the oil side of
things.
Right?
Maybe. But looking at the year-to-date numbers through yesterday, March 30th, I mean, S&P down 7, NASDAQ down 9. That's reaching extreme oversold. This is from our friends at Bespoke. Looking at it a different way, next two charts, S&P and then NASDAQ 100. This is a 3 standard deviation Bollinger Band. What that means
99% of the time it stays within those bands.
Right. And both of those are hugging the bottom, which would imply, again, if there's decent news, things might improve. Looking forward, Q2 of a midterm election year is a little tougher of a slog. If you go back to the last one, 2022, the 10-year yield went from 2 to 4 in the first half.
Right.
Oil went from the 70s to 110. So we've got the oil side, not so much the bond side. So, is it the same? Probably not. I mean,
walk me through this Mag 7 chart too, because this is crazy. Many of these, all these names are down.
Yeah, they're all down.
In very bad bear territory.
They're all down. I mean, you now have 3 stocks in the Mag 7 that have forward PE multiples in the teens. Okay, and finally, I'm told that Amazon has its lowest forward PE in its history.
It's pretty wild.
Does that mean that they're going to go up? No. You know what? I mean, none of them take oil, except for Amazon maybe delivering your stuff.
Right, yeah.
But, I mean, all in all, some things perhaps to look at in a positive light. I mean, there could be some positive light.
Yeah.